Hello everyone. So in today's video, I will show you guys on how to download CapCut Pro in your iPhone. So yeah, let's begin. So first, make sure you have CapCut installed and it's updated. And then once you're done, all you have to do is open CapCut. And then what you want to do next is click on this Pro thing right here on the top right corner. And just log in your account. So you can log in with your TikTok account, your Google account, your email, Facebook, or just with your Apple account. So for now, I will log in with my Apple account. And then once you're logged in, just enter your birthday and just click on confirm. And then now you are logged in. So as you can see, you'll now have the professional layout for your CapCut. So you can see you have this thing over here. You can now edit your profile and stuff. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to get CapCut Pro in your iPhone. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.